The Department of Food Science has been a part of the College of Agriculture and Life Sciences for more than 100 years, instructing generations of food science and industry leaders. With a job placement rate of nearly 100%, our distinguished faculty provide students with an exciting and challenging curriculum that equips graduates with the skills to succeed in today's global economy. UW Food Scientists impact society by developing sustainable practices and helping people access wholesome food. So, is UW-Madison food science right for you? Let's hear from one of our new students, Jordana, on why she chose UW-Madison food science.
Hi, my name is Jordana Resinkoff, and I'm a freshman food science major here at the University of Wisconsin-Madison. When I was looking at colleges, I really didn't think that I was going to choose Wisconsin. I'm from New York, and I really wanted to stay somewhere close to home and just somewhere overall that I felt the most comfortable at. But I ended up coming to Wisconsin and I fell in love. I fell in love with the city, the place, the people, and everything about it. I toured with the food science department, and everyone there truly advocated for how amazing their program was, and I felt that that was so important for a school to truly believe in what they were teaching. And I can honestly say that I believe that my education here at the university in the food science department will be amazing, and I know that because I've had such an amazing past few, not even 2 semesters, and I'm just so excited to see what my future in this program will entail.
For more information, visit our website at foodsci.wisc.edu.